Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Neha Sharma. Bollywood actress Neha Sharma rocking a bold, hot pink, one-piece bodysuit, jumpsuit that hugs her tones, figure perfectly. She has layered it was a casual white, long-sleeve shrugs for a cool contrast and pair it with a simple light, grey sneakers. Neha is holding her white smartphone and posing confidently with a subtle smile against a stylish red brick and stone wall. The photoshoot is a casual outdoor, street style for a gym excite vibe. Likely click in a Mumbai Andheri area, where she was stepped out after a workout. Overall, super fit, vibrant, sexy yet sporty. Neha serves strong fitness, inspiration, and effortlessly confident and stylish. Neha spotted in a super casual and comfortable outfit while stepping out. She is wearing an oversized black graphic t-shirt with a cool vintage car print paired with a black bike shorts underneath. She has accessorized with a black crossbody sling bag, sunglasses purchased on her head, and white slides. This photoshoot looks like a casual paparazzi clicks outdoor cafe and restaurant in Mumbai as she poses on a step with a sweet smile. Overall, look relaxed, effortless, and cute. Perfect everyday casual style with a chic vibe that still looks stylish and confident. She's wearing a soft white oversized shirt layered with a light pink top paired with bright collar, red legging for a fresh and sporty look. This outfit is kept casual with white wired earphones and a smartwatch on her wrist and a large brown leather toy bag slugs over her shoulder. Her long wave hair is left open and she poses with a soft smile while standing outdoors on a busy street. This look gives a perfect mix of comfort and style, either for a casual day out or a post vibe. Overall, the outfit looks effortless, feminine, and vibrant with a relaxed yet put down together street style feels. She looks fresh and confident in this simple yet combination. She is wearing a matching white aesthetic set consisting of a cropped tank top and high-waisted biker shorts that highlight her toned figure. Over the white set, she has layered a light blue long sleeves, ribbed shrugs for a soft color contrast and adding coverage. The look is completed with a brown monogrammed shoulder bag and a light blue water bottle. Her long wavy brown hair is left open with a natural flow, giving a fresh and feminine touch. She is posing confidently with a bright smile next to a silver car in an outdoor urban settings. The outfit gives a strong gym to street post-workout vibe with a clean, confident, coordinated athleisure style. Overall, the look is vibrant, sporty, cute, and effortlessly styled, perfect for a casual daytime outing. She looking fit, fresh, and full of positive energy in a pastel aesthetic ensemble. She is wearing a vibrant hot pink sleeveless bodycon that fits snugly, accentuating her curves, layering with a black long sleeve shrugs. A black Louis Vuitton crossbody strap with a rounded monogram bag adds a stylish touch across her torso. She holds a smartphone in one hand while she posing confidently, with the other hand placed on her chest. Overall, the outfit gives a bold, sexy, sporty street style look that feels confident and eye-catchy. She nailed the bright aesthetic glam perfectly. She is wearing a striking hot pink floor-length gown with a long sleeves and a deep plugging V neckline that adds elegance and glamour. The dress featured beautifully ruched detailing at the waist, creating a figure-flattering fit along with the high tilted sits on one leg for a bold touch. Her long waves are left open and she paired the look with minimal makeup and silver strappy heels. She poses confidently on outdoor sets with casual yet styled backdrop, vehicle and crew members. Overall, the outfit gave a glamorous, sophisticated and sexy red carpet vibrant in a vibrant pink shade. She looks stunning and effortlessly elegant in the bold gown. She shines in a vibrant orange traditional outfit featuring delicate silver embroideries and intricate lace detailing on the neckline and sleeves. The flowing fabric draped gracefully, giving the attire a rich, festive, and elegant touch perfect for celebrations. With a bright smile and a playful pose, she rests on her hands with her long dark hair falls naturally. The look is completed with a small bindi and subtle glow, adding warmth and charm to her expression. Overall, the symbols radiant joy, grace, and ethnic beauty with a modern festive vibe. She looks radiant and full of happiness in this beautifully orange attire. She's wearing a sleek black bikini with a stylish crease-cross strap detailing on the top, paired with a long, open black and white patterned kimono style cover-up. The flowing cover-up adds a layer, yet fashionable layer, while she hangs barefoot in the simple studio setting. And she poses confidently with a natural expression as a small fluffy white doves rest nearly. Overall, the look is sexy, effortless, and beachy with a perfect blend for bold swimwear and casual crop top style. For bold swimwear and casual cover-up style, she nailed the cool, confident swimwear vibe. She is dressed in a simple all-black aesthetic outfit featuring a fitting tank tops, matching high waists, legging that highlights her toned figure, white wear earphones and draped around her neck, and she wears a smartwatch on her vest. She poses casually in front of a black car with one hand raised on her forehead, flashing a bright smile. Overall, the look is minimal, sporty, and effortlessly cool, perfect for a casual gym outdoors workout vibe. She gives a strong, confident, and active energy in these killer black symbols. So guys, here are the some detail of Neha Sharma, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe Salif Clip for more videos like this.